Hi everyone, my name is Samuel and today I'll be showing you how to create aliases to rename your feed members in Tableau. Alright, so why would you need to create an alias? Let's consider this use case that I have here. In my roles, you can see that I've pulled in a feed called assigned loan officers. In here, it consists of several names and Tableau will allow us to do this for a discrete dimension. So changing or creating an alias can only be done for a discrete dimension, not for a date or measures or continuous dimensions. All right, so let's consider for Dylan Frost. And just to note, these names were generated by AI, so provincial, this is your name. All right, so considering Dylan Frost, perhaps for some spelling mistakes or to create better clarity for your audience, yeah, you need to change the name of the value. You can do that in one of two ways. So first, you could simply right click on the feed in the row and go to edit aliases, or you could locate that feed within the data pane. Let's say, yes, we have it here. Right click on that, then go to aliases as well. Either ways, you are going to have this window. All right, so let's find Dylan first right here. So on my right hand side, I can change from Dylan first to Dylan Samuel. All right, as you can see, the left hand side remains the same as Dylan Frost, and the right hand side has changed to Dylan Samuel. And there is an asterisk right here telling us that it has an alias. All right, so what Tableau is doing really is that it's allowing us to make this change within Tableau itself, right? So this will not in any way affect your underlying data. So in a case whereby you don't have access to the data right then, you can just simply make a change right here, or whatever the use case is. So click OK once you make that change, and you will see right here that it does now change from Frost to Samuel. All right, I hope you find this very helpful.